Page 166. Submerged Arc Welding. This type of welding is an arcing which metal pieces will melt to each other by using heat from arcing between bare electrode and workpiece. And this arc will be covered by flux and using no pressure in the welding as shown in figure. Page 167. Important characteristics of submerged arc welding. 1. High rate of welding speed. 2. Deep melting. 3. High rate of filling metal in welding path. 4. Able to weld different thickness of welding path and slack is easy to remove. Shape of welding path is consistent. Equipment. 1. Welding machines. 2. Wire feeder and wire feeder controller. 3. Torch for automatic welding or a welding gun for a semi-automatic operation. 4. Flux containers and controller to force the flow of flux for covering the welding path.